I made my first slime. It's the Gore family.
Right, and today I'm going to teach my dad how to make slime.
I've never made slime before, so we're going to see how this works out. Phoebe loves making slime.
You guys didn't already know.
Yes, you've seen many videos with her and her slime. So today, since Mommy's gone with Molly, and we didn't really do much today, we had a soccer game, which she won. She almost made her goal, made a goal in today, but just missed it by that much. So, but anyway, we thought we'd make a video today, and she's going to teach me how to make some slime.
Okay, so what you want to do first is grab
Your glue.
Okay.
All right.
And I'll tell you when to stop.
All right. Is this mine?
Yes.
Lots of glue.
Okay, that's good.
All right.
And then I'll pour my
All right. Glue.
And then you put some lotion in. Down there.
Lotion makes it smell good.
It also makes it stretchier since you're using borax water.
Just a little bit.
That's good. And then stir it.
Stir in the lotion. Put the lotion in the glue. Yeah, you have to be older to get that joke.
This lotion is strong.
It doesn't smell as good.
It actually does
Oh,
smell.
it smells pretty. Still smells gluey like.
Okay. This should be good. And then you're gonna.
Daniel's not happy. What's wrong, bud?
Now you can pick your color.
Alright. Well, my favorite color is green, but I'm not sure this is my favorite color green.
There's another green here.
I like lime green on
You
mine.
could
I guess
mix
that is
them.
kind of lime, but yeah, that's what we'll do. We'll mix these two together.
And I think I'm
How
gonna
much?
make
What's wrong, baby?
like one squirt of
What's
each.
the matter? Just a little squirt.
Yeah, of each.
Is that too much?
That's fine.
I don't have my phone. You want the
Sorry,
phone?
baby. I think
Daniel's
I'm
not
gonna
happy.
make pink slime.
We're making slime. We're busy right now. Why don't you go watch TV? I don't have my phone.
I'm gonna start making this. But
Phoebe's gonna turn Mickey Mouse on. Sorry guys, Daniel's not happy his iPad died. Phoebe's gonna go turn Mickey Mouse on for you. I'm gonna go ahead and mix mine up while they're figuring out what they're doing in here. Did you find it?
I'm looking at it.
We don't know where the remote is.
Nope, it ain't over here.
Alright, well we're having technical difficulties here. Let's check in with Molly and Phoebe, or Mommy and Molly, and see what they're doing.
Hello. Hi. Yeah. He's here again. Here's all the mobs. We're on a train. Yep. We're going on a trip. In our favorite rocket ship. Zooming through the sky. Little lights. I guess they. What up? Hey, Riley. Here, get over here so it's not really bright.
This is your last ride at Dollywood today.
It's the last ride. Oh my God, you're okay. This is the scariest ride, the train. The most boring one, also. The most scariest train? Yeah. I'd rather be swimming. Yes, we all would, but guess where we are? On a train. We're on a train, but I'd rather be swimming. We'll catch you back. We'll catch you back when we're on when the train's moving. Hello again. Scary. I wish it was real. I thought it was. That's why they do that. I had to look up Don't even jump. Somebody. You almost jumped. I probably did you. Well, that's the end of our train lesson. That's not the end.
26,000 people up this mountain now. I'm very proud of our engines and our guys who are operating them. We hope you enjoy riding behind us just as much as we do.
Now it is the end.
It was like fun. They were having a fun time while they were gone.
So now we're
still mixing slime. I mixed mine. I got
But I don't
this
do
much
this.
done.
I'm gonna put in some pink.
I need a countdown.
Oh. And I'm gonna try to make it bubblegum slime. So I'm gonna mix both pinks. This one's turning out good so far. I like the color of it.
Oh yeah. Here, I'll show you. Phoebe's color. Pretty neat looking. It does look like bubblegum. Daniel is now happy, in case you were wondering. His iPad died, so we had to turn on Mickey Mouse for him.
Okay,
Now
now
what?
we're gonna add in the black sweater. Okay, I'm gonna add it in first. So I'm gonna stir it up a little bit. You wanna add in a teaspoon at a time.
Is that what I'm gonna do?
Yes. Because you don't want your slime to be red.
I'm gonna put 2. I didn't follow orders. I'm putting 2 in already.
Then stir it real good, and once it's all stirred in, if it ain't slime yet, then you need to add more. So yours is kind of turning into slime.
So do I need more?
Well, stir it all together first. Okay. Yeah, add
Need
one
more.
more. And then stir.
Daddy doesn't pay attention to the instructions.
Well, I'm adding it too because I needed to.
I figured we go ahead and cut down on.
Okay, this is turning it into slime now.
Is mine slime?
Yeah, you need to add just. Let me make sure yours is good to touch. It might get stuck in your hair, on your arms. Okay, okay.
It's ready. I made my first slime.
It's really good.
Slime.
Okay, mine's taking a while to form, but that makes it good slime whenever it takes a while to form. Your slime's actually really. Okay, I want to make it Insta swirl with it. Ready?
It's all over my hands.
Put borax on it and then rub it together. Okay.
It's starting to clump up in my hands.
And then,
My slime.
and then watch, ready? Then whenever you go.
That constitutes good slime, huh?
Look at my hands.
Alright, guys. Phoebe's slime is not quite done yet, but we're going to go ahead and end the video
Yep.
here.
So
Make sure you
make sure
guys
like.
like slime. And comment down below, have you ever made slime? Have you and your dad ever made slime
Got
together?
slime in
And
See you next time.
did I say subscribe? Subscribe to.
Yeah.
See you guys
We're
next
almost
time.
to the 100.
We are almost to 100. We got 95 subs.
And we're going to give away a Visa gift card for $25.
See you guys next time.
See, look, mine's
Bye.